Far beyond the sight of land, where horizons stretch endlessly, a silent industry thrives. For decades, the ocean has yielded its bounty, but never before on a scale quite like this. Imagine a vessel not merely traversing the waves, but transforming them into a relentless production line. A self-contained world, a steel behemoth that never truly rests. What secrets does this floating city hold? What kind of factory operates hundreds, even thousands of miles from any port? This is a realm of industrial marvels, where the very act of fishing has been redefined. This is not just a ship, it is an economic marvel, a $200 million investment in the relentless pursuit of seafood. It's a vessel so vast, so comprehensive in its capabilities, that it can spend months, even years, without touching solid ground. On board, every stage of the journey, from catch to cold storage, unfolds with precision. Its true scale is difficult to grasp until one sees the towering structures, the sprawling decks dedicated entirely to processing. A true industrial ecosystem, designed for continuous operation. But how does such an immense operation sustain itself so far from civilization? Before a single net enters the water, a hunt begins with an invisible gaze. Deep below the waves, advanced sonar systems paint an intricate picture of the unseen world. These aren't just simple fish finders, they are sophisticated mapping tools, scanning vast areas, identifying species, estimating biomass. It's a high-tech game of hide-and-seek, played on an epic scale. The ship's bridge becomes a command center, interpreting data, predicting movements. Every decision, every course correction, is driven by this technological intuition. The ocean's secrets, momentarily revealed. Once located, the pursuit is swift, decisive. Massive trawls, sometimes wider than football fields, are deployed into the deep. These aren't the nets of traditional fishermen, they are industrial behemoths, designed to scoop immense quantities. They descend, guided by underwater cameras and sensors, targeting the densest schools. The sheer volume of the catch, once hauled aboard, is staggering. A silver cascade, an outpouring of the ocean's abundance. But this is just the beginning. The sea has given its bounty, and now the factory awakes. From the churning sea, the catch is funneled directly into the heart of the ship, a labyrinth of steel and machinery. This is where the transformation begins. Powerful pumps and conveyor systems transport the raw, wild bounty from deck to internal processing lines. No time is wasted. No manual handling, where machines can perform with greater speed and hygiene. The air fills with the sounds of industry, a rhythmic hum that signals continuous motion. It is a seamless transition from the chaotic ocean to the controlled environment of the factory floor. Deep within the ship's metallic belly, the real work unfolds. Automated sorting machines quickly separate the catch by species and size, a task that would require an army of human hands ashore. Then, the filleting lines. High-speed, precision-cutting machines remove bones and skin with minimal waste. Each fish is transformed from a whole creature into a ready-to-use fillet in a matter of seconds. It's a symphony of gears, blades, and sensors, all working in unison. A dance of precision, ensuring maximum yield from every single catch. Freshness is paramount, and on this vessel, it is captured instantaneously. Once processed, the fillets embark on their journey into extreme cold. Blast freezers, operating at temperatures far below freezing, rapidly lock in the taste and texture. This flash freezing technique is critical, it preserves the quality, preventing ice crystal formation that can damage cell structure. What was caught hours ago, miles from anywhere, is now frozen solid, ready for its long voyage. A perishable product, rendered immortal, ready for any table in the world. With the fish now frozen solid, the next stage is packaging. Automated lines carefully portion, weigh, and seal the products. From individual servings to bulk packages, every item is meticulously prepared. Advanced sensors ensure consistency, rejecting any imperfectly sealed package. The branding, the labels indicating origin and species, are applied with robotic precision. This isn't just about protection, it's about presentation and traceability. Every package is a promise of quality, ready to embark on a journey that might span continents. Where do thousands of tons of frozen seafood go? Into the ship's colossal freezer holds. These aren't mere storerooms, they are multi-story labyrinths of sub-zero temperatures, meticulously organized. Pallets of packaged fish are moved by automated forklifts and crane systems, stacked floor to ceiling. This vast internal ice world maintains a constant, frigid environment, ensuring the product remains perfectly preserved for months on end. It's a logistical marvel, a refrigerated warehouse floating on the high seas, awaiting its moment to connect with global markets. Amidst the roar of machinery and the chill of the freezers, a dedicated crew brings this floating factory to life. For weeks, sometimes months, this ship is their entire world. Shifts are long, demanding, often in harsh conditions. Yet, a unique camaraderie binds them. From the bridge officers navigating treacherous waters to the engineers maintaining complex systems, each role is vital. It's a testament to human resilience, working in isolation, far from loved ones, all to keep the global supply chain moving. What drives these individuals to embrace such a solitary existence? The factory operates ceaselessly. Day gives way to night, but the production lines never stop. This 24/7 operation demands constant vigilance, precise coordination, and an unwavering commitment from every crew member. There are no weekends, no holidays when you are thousands of miles out at sea, processing a perishable product. The rhythm of the ship is the rhythm of their lives, the hum of generators, the clang of conveyors, the call of the deck. It is a demanding existence, fueled by purpose, an endless cycle of hunting, catching, and preparing. Despite its isolation, this floating factory is deeply connected. Satellite communication systems ensure constant contact with shore, transmitting market data, weather forecasts, and vital operational updates. Advanced GPS and navigation suites plot the most efficient routes and fishing grounds. The bridge is a nexus of information, where digital maps overlay real-time oceanic conditions. It's a delicate balance, maximizing autonomy while leveraging global connectivity. This technological tether ensures the ship can remain at sea, a remote outpost seamlessly integrated into a worldwide network. To sustain this massive operation, immense power is required. Deep within the hull lies the ship's pulsating heart, a giant engine room. Diesel-electric propulsion systems drive the vessel, while powerful generators supply electricity for all processing, freezing, and crew facilities. These aren't just engines for movement, they are power plants, self-sufficient energy hubs, capable of generating enough electricity for a small town. The hum and vibration are constant reminders of the sheer energy required to keep this entire factory functioning, day after day, week after week. How does a ship this large sustain itself for such extended periods? It carries colossal fuel reserves, enough to power its journey and operations for months. Fresh water is produced on board through desalination plants, turning salt water into potable and process-ready water. Food, spare parts, medical supplies, everything is meticulously calculated and stocked. This intricate logistical planning ensures true autonomy. It's a carefully balanced ecosystem, where every resource is managed with extreme foresight. A floating island, prepared for any challenge the vast ocean presents. After weeks or months, the holds are filled with frozen bounty. But the journey isn't over. Special reefer vessels, refrigerated cargo ships, rendezvous with the factory at sea. The processed and packaged seafood is transferred, often in the open ocean, a complex dance of logistics. These motherships then transport the product directly to consumer markets worldwide. From the remote fishing grounds, this seafood can reach dinner tables across continents without ever touching a dock between catch and delivery. A truly global supply chain, redefined. The efficiency is undeniable, the scale breathtaking. But what is the true cost of such abundance? These vessels push the boundaries of sustainable fishing, with questions continually debated. Advanced fishing gear aims to minimize bycatch, and onboard technology allows for precise tracking of fish stocks. Yet, the sheer capacity of these floating factories underscores the delicate balance between satisfying global demand and preserving marine ecosystems. It's a complex equation, where technological advancement meets ecological responsibility, striving for a future where both can thrive. The most compelling question remains: why this self-imposed exile from land? Why operate hundreds, thousands of miles from any conventional harbor? The answer lies in absolute, unparalleled efficiency. Every minute spent steaming to port is a minute not fishing, not processing. Every harbor stop incurs costs, delays, and logistical complexities. By staying at sea, continuously harvesting and transforming, these factories eliminate dead time. They are designed for perpetual motion, a relentless pursuit of productivity, maximizing output from every single moment. This isn't just an evolution of fishing, it's a revolution. Traditional trawlers catch and then return to port, often with lower quality product due to time at sea. These floating factories change the paradigm. They are processing plants and fishing vessels in one, compressing the entire supply chain into a single, mobile entity. This integration, this ability to deliver flash-frozen, high-quality seafood directly from the remote ocean, fundamentally alters how the world sources its protein. It's a testament to human ingenuity, pushing boundaries. These floating factories are among the largest and most complex vessels ever built, true marvels of modern engineering. They integrate sophisticated fishing technology, advanced food processing plants, massive cold storage facilities, and comprehensive crew amenities, all within a single hull. The design challenges are immense: stability in rough seas, efficient energy use, waste management, and the seamless flow of product. Every inch is optimized, every system interconnected, creating a colossal, self-sustaining ecosystem built to withstand the harshest environments. From the initial sonar ping to the final package delivered across oceans, the journey of this floating fish factory is a testament to human ambition and innovation. They are silent giants, operating unseen for much of their lives, yet indispensable to feeding a growing global population. As demand for protein continues to rise, these vessels stand as powerful symbols of what is possible when technology meets the vast resources of the sea. They are the apex predators of the industrial ocean, a glimpse into a future where the line between vessel and factory blurs.